I'm Edna Butternut, and I'm entering the cake baking contest, number 8497086. I'm going to be baking a birthday cake for a lovely girl named Anara, and it's her 8th birthday, and I'm submitting my videos for the contest. I think you'll find that my recipes are better than most, and I've got really everything it takes to win. Everything on the list, everything you need, the full recipe for success, I might say. So please watch my videos. I don't have any fancy stuff, so I've got it in several videos, but I'll have them all labeled 1 through whatever, so you can watch them in order. I hope you vote for me.